Madam, I'm here to tell you all those thousands of brushes you have in your makeup kit as a beginner. When you know you're a beginner, you don't need them. Are you hearing me? Shebi, I'm talking, you're doing another thing. Okay, it's fine, no. Sha, the thing you need to do is just save this video, add it to your favorites. That's the only thing you can do. Because anything I say, I'm not coming back to say it again. Simple. See these things I'm holding. These brushes and this beauty blender is what you need as a beginner. All right. So I will say what they are used for. Pay close attention, like I said. So number one, for your skin prep, you need a brush like this. It's flat to apply those moisturizers, primers, and the rest of them aside. So for your eyebrows, to brush it out, you need this pulley. It's called pulley. So this is two in one. It has pulley and it has angled brush for concealing your brows. So if you don't want, you don't know how to use an angled brush to conceal your brows, you can make use of this flat brush, but it's round, but it's flat. I hope you can see. Okay, oh, if you like, don't pay attention. So for your foundation, to apply foundation on your face, you don't want to use your hand to apply it on your face. If you want to use your hand, oh, but you can use a flat brush like this. You pick a foundation from your mixing plate or at the back of your hand and you place it on your face. When that is done, you need a beauty blender or a dust brush to apply your foundation on your face, all right, or a damp beauty blender. So the next one you'll be needing is your eyeshadow brush. See, it's a fluffy brush. It's round and fluffy. This is what I mean by round and fluffy. Are you seeing it? This is what you need. You can at least have this one, two or three. Okay, in case you want to play with colors. That one aside. This is for blending of your eyeshadow primer. You can see how it is. You blend it out, your eyeshadow primer. This is for concealer. When you apply your concealer, you can use this brush to spread it. All right. If you don't want, you can make use of still beauty blender. So next one is, this is for blush, to apply blush on your face. You see, this one is round. Is round. All right. This one is for your powder, to apply powder on your face, on your entire face. It's still round and it's fluffy. This is the brush you need. Sure, I'm talking. Like, pay attention. Don't ask me. Oh. This one, you can see, is angled, but it's big. So it's for contour, face contour. Is it? You lift it up. You know what? This one is for your nose contour. It's still the same thing, but this one is a bit flat. But it's still the same angled. I hope you can see the shape I'm trying to show you. This is how it is. For your nose contour, you build, 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 and build. Right? Then the remaining one is for your lips. This flat brush, I use it for two things. For my lips and for here when I want to apply gel liner. Also use it. If you can have this one too. So if you don't want to be cleaning and be me, I can clean and do what I want to do. So that is all for that. Now you've known the brushes you need as a beginner. All those things you have that you don't know how to use, please know the important brushes you need to have in your makeup kit as a beginner. For more videos like this, click the link in my bio. Bye.